How to unlink Facebook from Instagram. So the first step is that you should open your Instagram and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you are right here, you should click on the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen and click on Settings and Privacy. Once you have done that, you should click on Account Center. If you don't have this button right here, then what I would suggest is to scroll down to the bottommost part and then you should be able to see that option as well. Then again, click on Account Center, wait for it to load, and click on Accounts right here under Account Settings. Now, click on Remove. If you see this Facebook icon, click on Remove, and then now you have unlinked your Facebook from Instagram. So again, make sure that you have this Facebook icon, click on Remove, and then that's it. That's how you can unlink Facebook from Instagram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.